In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a block in Constant Contact. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out with email campaigns, mastering this skill can really help you customize and enhance your communications. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First, open your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do that. Enter your credentials and soon you'll be on the dashboard, which is the control center of your email marketing efforts. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to create and manage campaigns. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab. Click on it and this will take you to a page where you can see all your existing campaigns. If you're just starting out, you might see a list of templates you can choose from. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can create new campaigns or manage the ones you've already started. Now, select the campaign you wish to edit. If you don't have a campaign yet, you'll need to create one by clicking the Create button. But for this guide, let's assume you have a campaign ready to go. Find it on the list and click Edit. This will open the campaign editor where you can customize every aspect of your email. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu labeled Content. This menu is your toolbox filled with different elements you can add to your email to make it more engaging and visually appealing. Within this content menu, you'll find the option to add a block. This is essentially a container for different types of content like text, images, or dividers. To do this, simply click on the block option. You'll see it transform into a draggable element. Now, drag this block directly into your email design area. You can place it wherever you think it fits best within your layout. This flexibility allows you to create a structure that aligns perfectly with your message and design aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully added a block to your email campaign in Constant Contact. Remember, you can use multiple blocks to diversify the content layout of your emails and make them more engaging for your audience. Adding different types of blocks like text, images, or buttons can really enhance your email's effectiveness and ensure that your message is clear and visually appealing. As you continue to work on your campaigns, feel free to experiment with different block arrangements and contents to find what works best for your audience. Each block can be customized further to suit your needs, so don't hesitate to explore those options. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently add and customize blocks in Constant Contact, elevating your email marketing game. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.